Hi guys, it's time for a new episode on our channel. I hope you are in a great mood and ready to create a logo from start to finish. In this video we will develop a logo for an investment company in the sports field. Get comfortable and let's go! Let's first look at the client's message and define the task that he sets for us. Then, as usual, we will move on to the next stages such as mood board, sketching and vectorization. Here is the message.
Hey Dennis, we are an investment company specialized in developing sports facilities, investing in sports technology startups. We are seeking the following: concept, mood board and logo design for the company, high-resolution logo to be used for presentations, color system for the company and typography. Since Estrella means star in Spanish, we want to use it as an icon in our logo design. It should also be recognizable without the name of the company.
I also sent a Google form to the client with questions I was interested in about this project. I often do this when the information provided seems not enough to me, and sometimes the answers help me get new details and make my work much easier. So, if it seems to you that something is missing, never hesitate to ask questions to the client in order to avoid misunderstandings in the future. After analyzing the answers, I came to understand that the client needed a logo using a unique star in the form of an icon and font that would display both of their constituent company, sports and investments. Based on this, I made a mood board. I picked minimalistic and interesting star designs that I could be inspired to create an icon for our logo. Now let's move on to generating ideas and creating digital sketches. Here's what we've got. I really like this option. In my opinion, it meets all the criteria for this project. It's quite unique and minimalistic, while it has a serious and sporty look. I think we'll stop on this concept and move on to the next step, vectorization. Let's go! As you can see, I have already placed the sketch in Illustrator. Let's make it 30% transparent and lucky. Now we can start. Let's build a grid, according to which we will create a design in the future. This mark is quite simple, so it will not take much time and effort. Select the line segment tool and draw a horizontal line while holding Shift. Set the stroke to 1 point. Duplicate it with holding Alt and place it below as in the sketch. Super. Select two lines and create a copy of them. And let's rotate them to the angle we need. That will be good. Select these lines again, duplicate them, and reflect them vertically. To do this, right-click on the selection and in the window that appears, select Transform, Reflect, Set Vertical and click OK. Now let's align them relative to each other. Great. It remains only to add lines for the edges of our star. Let's create two more vertical lines along the edges of the star at the same distance from the central ones, so that we have everything in proportion. Perfect. Duplicate these two lines again and rotate them according to the sketch. As you can see, we use the same distances to make the star look harmonious and geometrically correct. The last line remains. Duplicate this one and flip it vertically, in the way we did it earlier. Great, our grid is ready. In order to get the final design, we need the Shape Builder tool. This tool will help turn empty spaces into shapes we need. Select all our grid, take the tool, change the stroke to fill, and connect the elements we need to each other to get our mark. Ready, select the shapes, group them, and delete all this mess and reference what we no longer need. Align to the center and enjoy the result. In my opinion, it is a modern, bold design that is simple and recognizable, which will look great on any media and, most importantly, corresponds to desires and goals of the client. Let's now choose a font that will complement and interact well with our item. I'll do it in Adobe fonts. I think this font is perfect for us. That's it. The logo is ready. The client wanted to use red. So let's apply the color I choose for the icon and leave the font black. Great, now we can send our work to the customer. If you have watched our videos, you know how important it is to present a logo well. This will show you as a professional and make it much easier for the client to perceive your logo. Therefore, we advise you to always make a presentation with various mockups, which will reveal your work from the best side and significantly increase your chances of logo approval from the first time. Why not? Yes, I know it's hard to believe, but it happens. Now to your attention a small presentation of this logo. Write in the comments what you think about this design and please like and subscribe to the channel. It is not difficult for you, but it's very pleasant for us. I hope this video was interesting and informative for you. Don't be afraid to simplify your design, because that's what makes it memorable and recognizable. Also, don't forget to watch our other videos, which I'm sure will be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye.